First question. Which gas do humans exhale during breathing? Correct answer. Carbon dioxide. Second question. What is the smallest unit of life? Correct answer. Cell. Third question. Which planet rotates from east to west? Correct answer. Venus. Fourth question. What instrument is used to measure temperature? Correct answer. Thermometer. Fifth question. Which part of the human body contains the smallest bones? Correct answer. Ear. Sixth question. What is the chemical symbol for water? Drop your answer in the comment box.